So, welcome back. Today we're gonna have some fun with Earfün. So this is the new model. I got it a little bit late, but not too late. So Earfün, this is a Wave Life model. We have the Wave, I think, Pro model, and this is like under the flagship model. Most of the specs are pretty close. The flagship has like 80 hours operation time, and this one has 60. The driver is the same size, but this is a composite driver. This one has 4 mics and the other one has 5, so pretty close. Let's hope it will perform well. So let's open it up. The price here is around, I think, $60 or euro. You can get it maybe for less in some sales, but $60, 60 euros, it's the mark here. Let's open it up. Of course, the box didn't survive the way to here. That's good enough for us. So we got a high-res audio. We should check this out later. A and C. This thing has an app. I already downloaded it. What's else? It's got a low latency mode and a multipoint, which is very important for me. I think these headphones have a great advantage in their favor because it's Bluetooth 5.4, and this will mean that you can basically watch some movies if you have a 5.4 Bluetooth transmitter in your TV. This should have a pretty good latency. So this thing I will check later, and I'll put a link below for a 5.4 transmitter in the description, so you can have the complete package. And the fact that it's multi-point, you can pretty much connect 2 of those and see your TV. Let's look what's inside. So here they are. Some instructions here. Size, well, I will say it's on the bigger side. Not much in the package. Like, you got the headphones, you got the cable here, and you got the instructions here. So this is all you get. But let's talk about the wire here. So the connection here is through a USB-C connection. The advantage that you have only one connection here, and it's pretty much pretty good way to get high sound quality. Light here and some ducky, and we'll check it out. So pretty big, but you can fold it down. It's pretty reasonable. You got a padding here, which is nice. You got these earmuffs. They look pretty narrow, very high, but I'm not sure they are wide enough. I will tell you right away. Build quality is okay. I wouldn't say it's something unique, but for $50-$60, this is fine. Right ear and left ear indication. And let's get rid of these stickers. So again, here nothing special, it's not just the engraving of the Earfün. I do like this flexibility of the hinges here. Volume button is pretty nice and pretty unique actually, because you can power it on and off here, and plus and minus volume here, so it's really easy to find it even if you don't look at it. And you got the noise cancellation here with the LED here, and on this side you can find the mics for the noise cancellation, of course. some exposed bolts here, and here they are blacked out, but here it's exposed. Not very nice, but I actually like it because it's really easy to, you know, maintain. If you want to carry them flat, it's pretty easy because they have this hinge here. Let's look at the size here. So metal connection here should be pretty durable, and the size is definitely big enough. Definitely, if you have a large head, you have no problem. This is nice. The cover here is with fake leather, I think, and here you also have padding, so not bad in this perspective. The elephant in the room is, of course, the sound, and I will take a short listening test right away. But there is a thing that I want to talk about. So we were talking about the difference between this and the flagship model, the Wave Pro. And it does says on the box high-res audio, okay? But I didn't understand because there isn't, I didn't see LDAC codec mentioned anywhere. I'm pretty much sure that in this connection you will get a superior sound, because this is a USB-C connection and it does have the, you know, digital to analog conversion in a pretty high standard here. So I already downloaded the app. Let's see how this thing works, and I'll get back to you in a second. So it's been a week. I was planning to do a quick sound test with these earphones and let you know what I think, but I didn't fully understand how they sound, so I took a week. I heard some songs, played with the equalizer, heard my TV, and now I can tell you exactly what I think. So let's start with the functionality. So these are pretty well priced headphones. $50-$60 is a really good value for this kind of product. The build quality is pretty good. It's not high, it's simple materials, simple plastic. It could be scratch maybe a little bit here, but overall you got this padding. The padding here is really comfortable. They're folded, everything is solid. The company, by the way, gives really good support and background, whatever you need. The only thing I could say is the earphones here. If you have a really big ears, it's a little bit narrow. Nothing critical, just in a really very extreme conditions. In this perspective, everything is okay. They are connected perfectly. The app is excellent. I was planning to use these headphones for my TV, and for this purpose they are very good. Bluetooth 5.4 gives a really minimal lag, and I can finally say that this is work. Okay, I don't have yet a transmitter that is optical output and multipoint. I didn't find this device in the market, so if somebody wants to make such thing, go ahead. But I did connect it in an analog output to my streamer with two headphones, and it works pretty good. Now let's talk about the sound. So right out of the box, I didn't like this headphones sound. I listened to some reviews by after this, and I wanted to think what other people say, and they say the sound is boomy in the bass. Yes, it's true, but it's not the main problem. The main problem in those headphones is the mid-range. Mid-range, to my opinion, is too high, too clear. I have to address it with the equalizer, and it's not completely repairable, let's say. It is in 90% reputable, and we'll talk about it later. So let's get back to the bass. Those are bass head headphones, everyday music, electronic music, even rock music. Sounds really good. The bass is not accurate, but it gets low. It's got a boomy character. And I can understand that if you're a bass head, and I myself sometimes enjoy it, if you want to party, yes, these headphones perform in this section pretty good. Let's talk about this treble. So treble here is in the middle. It's not sharp at all. It's got a good range, and it's on, I would say it's on the softer side, but you can enjoy electronic music here, which I can say about every soft character headphones, especially if you raise the equalizer in this section. You can definitely enjoy the treble here, but it's not accurate. So it's got a good range. You can hear a lot of sounds, but they are not accurate. Let's get to the problem here. This is the mid-range. Mid-range out of the box is extremely high. I try to address it with the excellent app there, and I tried to turn down. So 500 was down, 250 was down, 1 kilohertz was down, 2 kilohertz was down, and sometimes 4 kilohertz and 250 were in the middle, just to relax the mid-range here, which to my opinion, it's too much. Okay, it's too clear. I know it sounds strange, but you can hear it, and it's make your ears get tired after a short period of time. Luckily, the app has a really good function of personal equalizer tuning. What it does, it's going through each channel of the equalizer, plays a beep, and you can raise it or lower it according to your taste. These function resolve 90% of the mid-range problem, and I could enjoy these headphones in their sound character. So I really enjoyed listening some party music, some electronic music, a little bit rock, maybe Oasis, Aerosmith, and quiet songs are really has a nice texture here. The bass, although it's not accurate, you can really feel it moving. It moves a lot of air, so you get a little nice feel of rumble in your ears, and this is nice. Overall, it's not my type of earphones. I wouldn't choose them as my first choice, but if you like this kind of more aggressive, less accurate sound, this could be your companion, considering you are addressing the mid-range problem. I can say that this problem is not solved 100%. It's resolved in 90% manner, because if you have a song with screamy music, the part in the song when the singer gets wild and start to raise the voice really high and scream a little bit, I think these sections are sounding a little bit less good and even annoying. So this is it, guys. This is what I think about the Earfün Wave Life model. I was thinking making a sound test with this head and binaural microphones, but I feel in this case the character of the sound maybe won't be delivered accurately, and you won't understand fully to these earphones, but I'll try it anyway. Maybe if it would succeed, I would upload a video. Let me know in the comment what you think about these earphones, about the video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.